Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to Vlogmas day 4. I think, yeah, hope you guys are doing well. Hope you guys have been enjoying my recent Vlogmas uploads. No, this is not a sit down video, this is actually a vlog. Okay, this is a vlog. I'm about to get ready to go to an event. You guys know December is all about events, so it might seem like I'm always going for an event, but hell, what else are we supposed to do in December? Like, really, what else? And it's holding at Jabi Lake Mall. Jide Odukoya is opening a studio here in Abuja. If you don't know him, he's a photographer mostly based in Lagos, and he's opening his Abuja studio today. And what drew me to attend this event is the fact that it is Marrakesh themed. You guys must have seen in my yesterday's vlog the one about Jesse and I going to eat at the Pasha restaurant, and it was giving me Marrakesh vibes. When I saw the event online and it was looking like it was going to be about, the event is tagged a trip to Marrakesh. That is how they are probably styling the event and everything. I'm just like, okay, I think I want to go here and see what, you know, it's all about today. Also, dress code is obviously like Moroccan inspired, something. I don't really have any bougie outfit or something. I don't really have one. In fact, the outfit I want to wear is like many years old. That's like the only Moroccan inspired thing I think I have. It's like a couple of years old, and I won't tell you guys how many years old so that you will not judge me, but I'll show you guys when I'm done with my makeup. So anyways, long story short, this is almost 3:30. Event starts at 4 and I'm still here. I just took a shower. Yes, I know, I literally just took a shower in the afternoon. Please don't come for me, you do it as well. All right, so I think I'm gonna go with something simple for my look. Maybe bold lips and a simple eye probably is what I'm going to do. Let's get right into it. I'm also going to be catching up on other creators' Vlogmas videos while I'm just doing my makeup. Joy to the world, the Lord is come. Let earth receive her King. Let every heart. So guys, I'm done with my makeup. I'm not even sure what hair to wear. I'm thinking of sticking to my short wig that I've been working for about a week now, or going with something coily. I don't know. Okay, I think I'm going to stick with this short hair because, you guys, quite frankly, it's hot outside there. The sun is not playing with anybody, so I'm not going to wear any long hair that will be disturbing me on my back or something. I think this looks just fine. Let me show you guys what I'm thinking of wearing real quick. So this is what I'm thinking of wearing. I've had this thing for so long, guys, like for a lot of years now, okay? Well, it's the only thing I could find that was almost Moroccan inspired because of the Arabian kini, whatever. I haven't worn this in a while. I still hope that it's my size. Let me just try a big. Okay, so this thing is still my size though. I'm so glad. It's still my size, guys. I'm so happy. I haven't worn this in like so long. Mia is here mimicking me as always, you guys. But yeah, I really like this. She's dancing. So I feel like these earrings will go nicely with this outfit. I don't want any earrings that will take away from the outfit. So yeah, okay, so I think we're good. We're good. Hey. All right, guys, let me leave the house now so I'm not too late. This is past 4. It started around 4 and I want to get there at least 4:30. My royal blue mules. I didn't want to wear something that can I talk? I didn't want to wear something that was too high, and it just happens that my mules are royal blue and they match the outfit. So happy me.
ladies and gentlemen. In one simple term, I'd like to welcome you all to Marrakesh.
A trip to Marrakesh.
So where are we now?
Abuja. I don't even know.
I'd like to welcome you all to Marrakesh. It's featuring me, I didn't know.
I know.
I'd like to welcome you all to my YouTube channel.
Yeah.
Ladies and gentlemen, can you make some noise for Mr. Chile Otukoya? He just whispered to me now that if I really want him to go, he has a wife. Maybe not why I introduce finish, maybe he will not go. They will not be saying, I like this job, I want to be in the studio. He said, I'm passion. I'd like to announce that the wife is also a photographer. The truth is that the wife was doing a better work than Chile before they met. So, you are aware? So when they now got married, the wife out of humility now submitted to the husband. It's a voluntary submission. People will not give us one before he got married. Why are we telling you? Chile wasn't doing that well. But since he got married, he's now doing well. You know me, I don't know which baby, like the woman that's baby, that's what I'm saying this thing.
ABUJA! This is supposed to have happened a long time ago, but for one reason or the other, it's been moving, but we are so excited that we are here today.
Yes, please.
And we that are here, we want you to sing, and you are refusing. TV Nakolo will sing for us, we'll give him 20% discount. TV's already eating our small jobs. So if you does not sing, the small jobs will hook you. My brother, perform or reform. Like the one I used to TV, I love you, TV. Talk to me, baby. And run. Speak to me, man of God. Hold on.
The guy is rising. The guy is rising. The white Christmas.
I'm got my fruit inside the camera. Christmas. Be merry and bright. Use me. Your Christmas
I only covered bridal shower. You people have done it. Your anniversary, we have to do it.
Next one.
I've said it. I have to enter your YouTube channel. I'm telling you. I need to flow. Thank you.
Hi guys, so it's a very hot afternoon today, okay, and we are heading to Jabi. Jesse Ngu Photography just acquired a new gadget and we are going to pick up this gadget right about now. I'm super excited for him because he's been wanting to get this for quite some time, and I'm happy he was finally able to get it for Jesse Ngu Photography. So let's go and collect it and see what it looks like. I'm excited for you, babe.
Thank you.
Justin, good photography is about to be late. You guys know, in fact, my wish for 2021 is for us to open an actual studio for Justin Good Photography, like do a proper studio launch and open one. So fingers crossed next year, God to make it happen next year so that it can be a full-blown studio. Okay, that's my biggest wish for next year. That's my biggest wish for next year. Okay, yeah, so let's go, guys. Let's go. We're already on the road, Seth. Let me just take you guys. So I'm back from the event. The event was splendid, by the way. Well organized, very classy. You guys know me, I love classy events. So congratulations again to Jide Odukoya on the opening of his new studio in Abuja. I do know he has a studio in Lagos and in Kano, but this is his first studio here in Abuja. So congrats again to Jide Odukoya. And it was a lovely event. I enjoyed it, and I saw a lot of people that I know as well, which made it even more interesting for me. So we're giving this, I think this is like a key holder. Let me bring it up close so you guys can see. A key holder. Jide Odukoya photography. Over here we have some discount cards. They gave out some discount cards in case you want to use their services very soon for photography. So yeah, Jide Odukoya photography reward card, 20% off all bookings. Then this brand also gave me their discount card. They are called the Backdrop Company. So apparently what they do is that they do like backdrops for like events, photo shoots and stuff like that. And they gave me a reward card also as well. Just happy I went just to have a really good, nice night out. I'm tired. I need to have a bath and to go to bed, okay?
The next day.
Okay guys, thank you guys so much for watching Vlogmas Day 4. Thank you for all the love. I've been seeing your comments, so you guys are so sweet and you guys motivate me to do more. So thank you so much for all the love so far since Vlogmas started, and I'm Ginger and I'll keep going, okay? My ring light is on right now. I barely use my ring light, but it's actually at night and I just want to edit this video for it to go up tomorrow for you guys because I love you so much. So I have to on my ring light to do outro for you people. So thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you did, thumbs up if you enjoyed. Subscribe if you love my face and you love my content. Please subscribe. Comment down below as always. Share. I keep forgetting to tell you guys to share my videos. Please share. It really help me. I'll see you guys in my next video, which is tomorrow, of course. Mwah. Bye.